Hello, how are you? Welcome to Fácil with Glory y Nolo.
Hola y bienvenidos a Fácil con Glory y Nolo.
Today, this is the newest member of our family, the Instant Omni. We were lucky enough to find one in our local store. So today we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to show you some attachments that we bought for it. Without any further ado, box cutter in hand.
Hoy estaremos haciendo el descubrimiento del Instapot Omni.
Instant, no Instapot.
Ok, gracias.
Puedes hablar.
Estaremos haciendo el unboxing o descubriendo el Instant Omni, el horno tostador. Es más grande que yo.
First thing first, this thing is huge. So if you have a vortex at home, this thing is double the size of the vortex. Let me see how can I get it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do, make it easier. Flip the box sideways and ask Glory for a little bit of assistance. Oops. Just let's take everything out. Here you have it. The Instant Omni.
Okay. Ahora. ¡Tan, tarán!
Let's see the attachments that come with it. As you can see, this whole thing is all made out of stainless steel. It's not like the Vortex that had the black plastic part. Has the frying basket,
Tiene la
the
bandeja
drip
principal.
basket. Oh, I need some scissors. Because contrary to what a lot of people have said, this one does come with a rotisserie also. So you can do chicken bigger than the 4.5 pounds that you can do in the Vortex. Has the rotisserie attachments, the tool to take it in and out, the rotisserie, and of course the wire basket that you can do for cooking all your other stuff. And of course the handy beginner's guide and welcome guide. Remember, most of the guides and cookbooks and everything for it, you're going to find them online or in the Instapot applications, which you can scan with your phone and it will take you straight to the site. The cable is not as long as I would like. I'm going to take it out. It is longer than the Vortex. But if you put it through the back, it's about 2.5 feet long. So, let's open it up and let's see it inside.
Déjame ver si lo encuentro.
Hello! There's echo. So, go ahead.
Ok. Las piezas que trae nuestro Omni. La rejilla es la primera, la que vamos a colocar para nosotros poder disponer de las bandejas. Esta es la bandeja que nosotros le vamos a poner como en la del Vortex, que se le pone el papel de aluminio para recoger los residuos. Tenemos también para el rotisserie, pero este es diferente. La pieza es de metal y tiene en una fundita los aditamentos para poner entonces la pieza. La rejilla es completamente en aluminio y esta no es antiadherente. Esto es lo que estamos viendo. Y trae también consigo el manual de instrucciones. También pueden conseguir online el manual de instrucciones y además tiene aquí para que puedan escanear en la aplicación y puedan tener mucho uso.
Let's put it together.
Ya comenzamos y pusimos debajo la canasta para los residuos.
You're not required to put the the non-stick. Am I putting in the wrong one? Yes. You can fit a 12-inch pizza in here. That's why we bought some attachments. Also, we have some muffin pans, and this one you can fit comfortably 2 of them inside the oven. Not only that, we bought the 12-inch pizza plate, and it will fit perfectly inside the oven. At the same time, we were a little adventurous and we bought the jumbo cupcake one, and it fits either way, straight or even sideways. Another thing that we bought that we thought that it was going to be great is this grilling mats, which you can find online. You can find also in your local store where we found the oven. There comes in a pack of 4. They're about $10, but they're non-stick bake and grill mats, which you can use for the drip pan, or you can also use it if you're baking cookies or you're doing something grilled that you don't want all the grease to go down. A lot of it, sometimes the seasonings you want them to stay a little longer, you can use this grilling mats, which they fit perfectly because they are 11.5 by 15.7 inches, which is, this one is 16 inches wide and 12 inches deep, so it will fit perfectly inside the oven. Other than that, Gloria, do you want to show something?
Oh yes, I tried to figure out where my pans and try to fix our other pans.
No, I don't think this one is going to put.
Let me check because this is the bond.
This is the bund pan,
Mm-hmm.
which I bet you I'm going to have to take out this other pan, this other rack. And the bund pan fits perfectly inside the oven. Same thing, it's like our spring form pan. This is the 12-inch. Fits perfectly, so you can bake cakes or cheesecake. This is a 9 by 9, 8-cup non-stick oven tray. Also fits perfectly. And our round, this is an 8 by 3 round. And of course, if it fits the 12, it will fit this one perfectly. You can probably even fit one big one, and this is a small one. So if you're gonna make a tier cake, you can also make a tier cake inside the oven.
Estuvimos verificando todos los moldes que nos sirven para poder utilizar y maximizar el uso de nuestro Omni. Y vemos cómo todo lo que estuvimos verificando nos sirvió. Así que creo que esto va a ser una nueva aventura para nosotros ir conociendo y hacer más recetas, porque una de las quejas principales que teníamos todos era que nuestro vortex era muy pequeño y queríamos darle el mayor uso posible. Así que yo creo que este Omni nos va a ayudar bastante. Así que estamos al día.
And my dear wife found the biggest mold that she has, which is even bigger than my head, and my head is pretty big. This is a 12-inch by 3 wide wedding cake mold. Fits perfectly. So you can make really, really big cakes in it. And without further ado, let's plug it in. Really big lettering. Here's the temperature control. Here's the timer, and also the light, which you push and the light will turn on. You have air fry. Here's your temperature control, and it goes all the way to 450 degrees, 50 degrees more than the vortex, and it goes down all the way to 180 degrees. That's for air fry. For toast, you have the toast setting for 2 toasts, 3 toasts, and it will give you the time for those toasts and how light or dark you like them. They have like a little meter bar that will show you that. The bake settings, of course, and it goes all the way to 450 degrees plus the timer. Roast, reheat, dehydrate, and of course it has, which I forgot, the broil version. And again, this is the Omni. Do you want to say it in Spanish?
Claro que sí. Vamos a mostrarlo nuevamente. Todas las opciones que tenemos. Tenemos la función de Air Fryer. Y tenemos 50 o 25 grados más.
50 grados.
Tenemos la función de Air Fryer con 50 grados adicionales en el Omni. Tenemos también la función de broil, rotisserie. Tenemos horneado. Y no llego. Tenemos también la función de recalentado y también de deshidratado. Con la peculiaridad que tenemos este tostador. Y nos dice de 1 a 4 tostadas. Y nos dice cuán usted lo quiere. Cuán bronceado usted quiere su tostada.
Hasta 6 tostadas.
Así que tenemos ahí. Adicional de la temperatura también tenemos el tiempo que se puede trabajar con nuestro Omni.
Aprender, when you start roast, it will give you the convection setting, which you can select convention. Or low convection, and also there's where the rotate will start.
Tenemos las opciones de bajo convección y alta convección, y adicional también tenemos el ciclo circular para el rotisserie.
Now that is the Omni.
Con ustedes, el nuevo Omni, Instant Omni.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.
Gracias por vernos. Nos vemos en la próxima.